The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is available with an optional Forward Collision Mitigation System, or FCM. FCM uses a sensor built into the windscreen to detect traffic ahead, including pedestrians. As the gap between the two vehicles shortens and the system judges that a collision may occur, it will issue both an audio warning and visual warning on the multi-information display, and then increase the brake fluid pressure and apply moderate braking to encourage the driver to slow down. If the driver ignores the warning, the system will initiate automatic emergency braking to either prevent or reduce the consequences of an impact. In addition, the driver can select how soon the system notifies them of obstructions ahead by pressing the FCM button. Each press changes between far, mid, and near modes. If required, a long press of the button will deactivate the system. Another press will reactivate it. It is highly recommended that the system remains engaged and operational at all times. For further information on the operation of this system, please consult your vehicle owner's manual.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.